Good morning, Year 10. It's Mr. Kazmi here, and today I am going to talk through with you your end of year 11 target grades. So it's a really exciting time currently in year 10 where you are working towards the back end of your school journey with us and you are working towards your GCSE examinations. So I'm going to discuss more on the target grades you are going to be receiving in your subject areas. So to begin with, we're just going to discuss the school mission, values, and vision. So our mission is to create a remarkable school where no child is left behind. Our vision is so students acquire the knowledge, build the cultural capital, and develop the character to live their best lives. Our values are enjoy, learn, and succeed, and the value of succeed in particular is relevant to your target grades because we want you to do really well year 10, and we will not rest until the attainment is in the top 10% of all schools and the quality of education is outstanding and all students behave well all of the time. So what are target grades and why are they important? Target grades are the grades you are expected to achieve as a minimum by the end of year 11. They're based on a range of information such as your prior attainment, including your Key Stage 2 results in year that you achieved in year 6, teacher assessments, and your progress so far in secondary school. So what are target grades not? They are not random predictions and they are not a limit on what you can achieve. Instead, they are informed estimates of what you should be capable of reaching with consistent effort and good progress. One thing to mention here, Year 10, is these target grades historically have been achieved and surpassed. So lots of students in the past have actually beaten their target grade. They've got a higher grade than what their target grade was. So if you just remember to be the best version of yourself every day, show that resilience, turn up on time every single day, and really get the most out of your learning, I'm sure there will be lots of you who achieve your target grade but also surpass your target grade. So your target grades year 10 can help prepare you to be a future ready learner. So a future ready learner is someone who is excited about what their future could hold and knows how to get ready for it. So how will your target grades help you be a future ready learner? Number one, they give you direction. Target grades help you understand what you are working towards. Knowing your goal makes it easier to focus your revision and classroom effort. So it gives you that goal to work towards. They also help track progress, so teachers use target grids to see whether you are on track, above, or below where you should be. This allows support or challenge to be put in place early. Target grades encourage ambition. A target grade is a starting point, not a ceiling. Many students exceed their targets through hard work, resilience, and effective revision. So that's a really key point, year 10. Your target grades are not a ceiling for you, okay? They can be surpassed, they can be exceeded, and with that hard work and revision, and if you are showing that ambition for yourself, you can definitely go on to do great things. And lastly, they do prepare you for the future. So GCSE results affect sixth form, college, apprenticeships, and future career pathways. And target grades help ensure you are aiming high enough to keep those options open. So year 10, we want you to have the gift of choice when you leave us in year 11, and these target grades will help you prepare for the future. In your subject areas, you will receive your target grades and you will write them on the inside cover of your books. So for example, when you receive your English target grade, you will write that on the inside cover of your English book. So your subject teachers will be sharing them with you in the upcoming weeks. So I've just got some questions on the next slides about what I can do as your current head of year, and what staff can do, your subject teachers can do, and your form tutors can do to support you with receiving your target grades. So question one, how would or should you react if your target grades are lower than what you expected? Don't let this knock your confidence, year 10. They're a minimum target grade. And as I've said several times now, many students surpass these target grades. Okay, so don't let it knock your confidence. If you feel like your target grade's a bit low, all that is showing is you are being really ambitious, and that's an excellent value year 10 to have. So show that ambition and say, right, my target grade may be a grade 6, for example, but I'm going to get a grade 9. And have that ambition for yourself, and that will do wonders. So how about if your target grades are higher than you expected? Okay, so try not to stress or worry about it. It probably just means that you are a knowledgeable and expert learner and you weren't giving yourself as much credit as you deserved. So all it means is that you are estimated to achieve higher than you expected. So all you need to do is continue to try your best, and you will hopefully see at the end of your GCSEs that your target grade was absolutely achievable. So lastly, the third question, what do you do if you disagree with the target grade or you're feeling uneasy about anything? So we are here to support you. So the initial conversation is with your subject teacher, and your subject teachers are prepared for this. So you can have that conversation where you feel like it should have been higher or should have been lower, and your subject teacher can discuss that with you. Um, so they will either give you some comfort and say, look, your target grade may be higher than you expected, but you are amazing, you can do really well. Or on the flip side, if you feel like it was lower than you expected, it's that conversation around, it's that motivation to succeed and be resilient, and absolutely you can surpass these target grades. These target grades are not in absolute concrete. People do surpass them, people sometimes do get lower than them. It's just that aspirational target for you. If you're still unhappy after that conversation, you can speak to your form tutor in the first instance, and your form tutor can offer you some further advice because they've got some additional training on this. And if you're still unhappy after speaking to your subject teacher and your form teacher, then you can speak to me, Mr. Kazmi, and I will give you some further support. So year 10, thank you for listening to this assembly today, and really enjoy this time in year 10, really value it, make the most out of it, and as we go into and prepare for year 11, we're looking forward to getting you the best results and giving you the best experiences possible while you're with us on this journey. Thank you for listening.